Hey friends, we're out here working in the backyard today and we need to do a lot of winter cleanup from all of these tree shoots that have come up from our lilac tree, as well as a bunch of rogue weeds. And that's why I wanted to show you this product today. This is the Kaygo glove set. And these are going to be a really great addition for this specific season for us here in Colorado. Now, these are kind of winter cold weather gloves. You can see that they're insulated inside, so you get a really nice, warm, comfortable glove with all of the benefits of having it be really nice and sturdy. You've got this really nice rubberized material on the outside. It's going to make doing gardening work so much easier. Okay, you can see what the glove looks like on my hand. It's got a nice little Velcro strap to keep things a little tight. This is a size large and it fits me great. Some people do say these run a little small. So if you're kind of in between sizes, you may want to go up to the size a little bit larger than you normally wear. Again, for me, this large feels really nice. Now we're gonna give this a little test on some of these lilac shoots. Again, we don't want these cropping up beside the normal tree, but these are really tough. So I need something that's gonna grip, give me a nice good leverage, and allow me to pull up the root system that is underneath here. And that just comes up really nicely. Again, this glove gives me the ability to really grip and get a lot of leverage. So definitely awesome. Again, for this cold weather, these things are gonna be perfect because of the warmth. My hands feel really good. They're not cold. It's definitely gonna give me that extra layer of protection and warmth that I need in cold weather gardening. So hopefully that helps, friends. Definitely a thumbs up from us. Go check them out for yourself. We'll put some links in the description box below. If this has been helpful as a product review and you'd like to check out some of our other videos, we make a ton of these. So stay tuned, subscribe. We'll see you again on the next one.